What's up guys, Josh here, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel, and today I want to talk to you about how to get consistent in life. Now you might be asking yourself, who the heck makes you qualified to talk about such a subject? Well, hey man, great question. I believe that the reason why I'm qualified to talk about such a subject is because I've been dropping YouTube videos since November of 2019. I drop 2 videos a week and I have not missed a single upload. Oh, by the way, I'm a full-time employee, I'm married, I got kids, and we're going through a pandemic. If you believe that makes me qualified, let's jump in the video. The first thing that you have to ask yourself is, why aren't you consistent already? What is preventing you from becoming consistent in your life? Once you've gotten to the root of the issue, and you've gotten down to the root of the problem, ask yourself, dude, is it because you have negative influences in your life? If that's the case, dude, I just dropped a video on Monday giving you the 4-step process, easy process, how to handle negative people in your life and how to attract positive influences in your life. They're gonna help you achieve your dreams. A lot of times when I get stressed out, I start making bad decisions. I make decisions that aren't in my best interest because I'm stressed. I'm like, oh, the hell with it. Or maybe your environment is set up to make you fail. Once you figure it out what the root of the cause is, the next step is you need to go on the offense. Forgot my dang belt on that one. Like I was saying, dude, you need to go on the offense. Go on the attack of your bad habits, dude. The ones that are preventing you. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath. Sorry, I had to move y'all. Dude, straight in the shot. Like I was saying, dude, be preemptive in your attack towards your negative decisions. Like for instance, if you struggle with diet, if you struggle with keeping consistent with your diet, a great option is to download a delivery app, whether it's Walmart, whether it's Instacart, Shipt. I personally use Shipt, but whatever. I ain't sponsored, so I don't care what you use. And that way, you're not making impulsive decisions when you go to the grocery store on an empty stomach, which we all do. And that's just one of the many countless, hold on, let me fix that real quick. A little bit better. That's one of the countless examples of how you can go on the attack of your bad habits and get the best of them before they get the best of you. We need to take a little drive in order to give you step 4. I know we're only on step 3, but we do have to take a little drive so I can actually show you step 4. In the meantime, what you gotta do next is you gotta shed your skin. One of the biggest problems that people have is their identity, man. It's you don't believe that's the type of person that you are. Whatever it is that you're battling with, whatever issue we all have it, man, but if you're battling with consistency, it's probably because you don't believe that's the type of person that you are. Again, diet is a big one for a lot of people. So if you have a struggle gaining weight or losing weight, or you lose weight but then you put it back on, which you've seen countless times, man, it's because you don't believe that's who you are. You don't see yourself as that individual. When you look in the mirror, you don't see the person that you dream of, right? Whether that person's fit, lost weight, gained weight, jacked, whatever it is, that's not the person that you see in the mirror. You see this overweight or skinny, scrawny dude that was picked on as a kid. And so every time that you start making progress, because it's not in alignment with who you believe you truly are, you're just gonna go back to making subconscious self-sabotage decisions that lead you right back to where you started. Dude, if this is something that you can relate to, know that you're not alone, man. This is something that I battle with myself, man. Look, I ain't perfect at all. And dude, I've learned these things. I've learned how to handle these things and how to get past them so that you can actually make progress in your life. Substantial progress, transformational progress in your life, man, no matter what area it is that you're actually trying to improve. place where I can give you step number 4, I'm nervous, man. I haven't been there in a long time. And you probably haven't been there in a long time either. Guys, step number 4 is do the non-debatable. I don't feel comfortable. I don't know if it's exactly right to show the tombstones and show the graveyard, but that's where I'm at, man. You know, like I said, do the non-debatable, dude. There are so many things that we can argue about, but the one thing that no one can dispute is you're gonna die. I'm gonna die. We don't know when. Write yourself a eulogy. Write yourself a eulogy. If you were to die today, what would your eulogy say? Would it say, "Here lies average Joe, the biggest waste of potential that ever walked the face of the earth"? Is that what your eulogy would say? I mean, get raw with yourself, man. If you want to fix yourself, get real with yourself, man. Like, dude, stop beating around the bush. Stop sugarcoating everything. Stop telling yourself you're okay, and actually do something about it. You know, I'm talking to myself too. I'm not trying to talk down to you, but dude, this is called tough love, man. If you want help and you want the answer, these are the type of things that you got to do, man. And so, write yourself a eulogy. If you know how you ever seen those commercials, or sorry, like the YouTube videos where it's like, if Apple were honest, or if movies were honest, or whatever, right? What if instead of your family being, oh, such and such, they were the best, they were the biggest blessing, you know, to the world, because that's your mom or that's your parents, that's your friends and family saying that. But if they were honest, what would they really say about us? You know what I mean? All unbiased opinions. So write yourself a eulogy and come visit the graveyard and read it. Look at these graves. Know that these people, they're never, I mean, I believe in God, I believe in day of judgment. So I do believe that they will come back someday. Regardless of your beliefs, you will die. You will be put in the dirt, or cremated, or whatever it is that you intend on doing with your body once you pass away. Regardless, you need to write that eulogy, come to a graveyard and read it and let it sink in that if you continue down the path that you're on, continue making the stupid decisions that you're making, that I'm making, that's the eulogy, that's the reality of what people would say, man. So that's all I got to say for you guys today. I know it's a little bit morbid. I know it's, you know, not as upbeat and positive as, you know, I usually am. But you know what? This channel is all about getting real and doing unorthodox things that actually help and actually work, man. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop me a like, because it really does help the channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Why? Because I drop 2 new videos every single Monday and every single Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. And until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support so much. If this was helpful, let me know down in the comments below, and let me know, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do to change your circumstances and start making progress in your life? If you need any help, drop it down in the comment section below, or email me at joshua@projectdreamitachieveit.com. And if you want a more private answer, be sure to share this video with anyone that you think could really help. Because one last thing, I know I'm blabbing, and I'm sorry, I'm about to end the video. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. But as you can notice, if you've been following this channel for a while, I started doing more vlog style, more cinematic things that I've always wanted to do. But I'm a one-man show. And so if you found value in this video, share it, because I want to get to 1,000 subscribers and way beyond that, so that I can start monetizing my channel, so that I can hire a full-time videographer to follow me around, so that I can make my videos way more interesting, just visually more appealing, so it helps you and makes it more interesting and entertaining for you without losing any quality in the actual tips. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. My name is Joshua. Remember, as always, make today great, and I will see you in the next one.